Take out the coating head and fixing screws from the packaging box. A 15 wide shim is pre-installed in the coating head. Install the coating head on the machine. Do not tighten the screws yet. Align the coating head with the top limit rail before tightening. Take out the dial indicator and fixing screws from the packaging box. Install the dial indicator on the machine. Do not tighten the screws yet. Adjust the dial indicator roller to be nearly parallel to the coating table. Then tighten the fixing screws. Adjust the indicator head left and right until the roller is nearly parallel to the coating table. Then tighten the screws again. Dial indicator installation is complete. Install the power cable. Peel off the protective film on the back of the stylus and stick it in a suitable position. Fill the syringe with solution in advance. Screw the male connector of the connecting tube onto the syringe, and the female connector onto the coating head. Loosen all 5 wing screws of the injection part. Enter the manual interface, and adjust the position of the injection push rod. So that the syringe can be just clamped in the push rod. Then tighten the screws. Syringe installation is complete. Place the substrate on the coating table and enter the settings interface. After the syringe is installed, directly click Set Origin to complete the injection origin setting. Adjust the coating table to the appropriate position to complete the coating origin setting. Move the coating table to the frontmost position to suspend the dial indicator roller. Then reset the dial indicator to 0. Enter the manual interface and adjust the coating table backward to make the dial indicator roller fully contact the table. Before leveling, remove the 3 anti-loosening rubber sleeves to adjust the levelness via the nuts. Level the rear of the table using the adjusting nuts under the table. When the indicator values are nearly consistent, the rear leveling is complete. Remember the current indicator value, continue moving the table backward, and adjust the dial indicator to the front of the table. Adjust the indicator value to be nearly consistent with the rear value via the adjusting nuts. Table leveling is complete. Fine-tune the table repeatedly to improve horizontal accuracy. Adjust the distance between the coating head and the substrate using a micrometer and dial indicator. Enter the recipe interface and set the injection speed, pre-injection time, the time for solution to flow from the syringe to the coating head, coating speed, coating distance, and required temperature. Click Confirm to complete the setting. Temperature range, 0–120. The interface supports 5 groups of different recipes. Check the required recipe, the machine only executes the checked recipe. Start the machine. Coating is complete. Remove the coating head with an Allen wrench. Protect the table during disassembly to prevent damage from collisions. Loosen and remove the 4 fixing screws. Note that the coating head consists of 2 parts, avoid collisions during disassembly and take out the shim. Place the shim back into the coating head, align it, tighten the screws, then fix the coating head on the machine and fasten it. Residual solution in the injection pipeline of the coating head can be rinsed with alcohol or cleaned by ultrasonic to prevent pipeline blockage.